As the announcer said, my name is Rita Conroy Martin, and I am the Director of Marketing at ZOLLER Incorporated, the world leader in tool measurement and tool management technology. I joined ZOLLER 4 years ago, and one of the most rewarding aspects of my job is facilitating communication to our customers in the manufacturing industry, how they can be more efficient and more productive by using innovative tool measuring, inspection, and tool management solutions. Our solutions are designed to move our customers towards Industry 4.0, and for them this usually means 3 things: reducing cycle time, eliminating errors, improving quality, and even increasing productivity. At ZOLLER, we hear these requests and challenges almost every day from our customers. We hear the overwhelm in their voices. The complexity of Industry 4.0, or the appearance of complexity, is what keeps most companies from implementing it. At ZOLLER, instead of thinking of it as an Industry 4.0 problem, we try to reframe it to our customers as a connected machine shop solution. We tell our customers to think big, act small, and act fast. Now I'm going to give you a quick overview of the customer journey and our journey towards Industry 4.0 at ZOLLER. ZOLLER is a 3rd-generation, family-owned global technology company that was founded in 1945 outside Stuttgart, Germany, by Alfred Zoller. It first started out as an appliance repair shop. It is currently managed by the 3rd generation of the Zoller family. Over the past 76 years, ZOLLER has built out a connected solutions portfolio that ranges from tool presetting and measuring to tool inspection and fully integrated tool management software solutions. In the last 10 years, we have rolled out integrated automation solutions that manage the entire process chain of tooling from art to part. In 2018, we built our 45,000 square foot North American headquarters and Industry 4.0 Tech Center in Ann Arbor, Michigan. The primary driver for us was, of course, to build out our local software development team, utilizing local talent from the university, and to enhance our support paradigm for our rapidly growing customer base in the US. A big part of our cohesive sales and marketing strategy is to use customer stories that demonstrate how they have moved towards Industry 4.0, how they have become more successful and efficient. And as you can imagine, in 76 years of operation, there are lots of stories to tell. Today, I'm going to share 3 stories that highlight common challenges that we come across in manufacturing. Through these stories, I'm going to show you how our solutions help move companies towards Industry 4.0 for cutting tool management and optimization, and how we solve some of the most common challenges manufacturers are facing today. The first story is about a medium-sized parts manufacturing company based in the East Coast that is primarily serving the aerospace industry. They reached out to us in 2018 because they wanted to become vertically integrated by manufacturing and inspecting their own cutting tools. They wanted to ensure their tools could produce parts with tolerances in the 2 to 4 micron range. During our discovery session with the customer, it became clear they were also very concerned about labor shortages, so we recommended automating their tool inspection process. The first step on their customer journey with ZOLLER was to acquire a tool inspection machine, and then to follow on with an automation cell that could completely automate the tool inspection process. I met the customer at the runoff at our facility in Ann Arbor, and they were super excited to have a 24/7, lights-out automation cell that could inspect, sort, clean, and mark their cutting tools. They no longer had to worry about bottlenecks in their manufacturing process due to not having a consistent supply of cutting tools. And they could redeploy their existing labor to running production instead of inspecting tools. The second story is about a large-scale aviation manufacturer based in Texas. In contrast to many small machine shops or medium-sized manufacturing facilities, this customer had a dedicated Industry 4.0 implementation team. They already had a clear vision of what they wanted to achieve in their factories in the future. They saw their future as fully automated, digitally connected, and less dependent on manual labor. You see, this company was already thinking strategically about innovative processes in manufacturing and how to achieve a high quality, high rate of production to meet future demand. We were a natural fit for them. We designed a complex, connected, autonomous tool management solution comprised of tool preparation, tool assembly, and our proprietary transport solution to and from the machine tool. Our multifunctional rockstar project management team worked all through the pandemic to get this massive project to fruition. As I speak, this is now being installed at the customer, and the customer will have realized their vision of the factory of the future and be able to showcase it to their customers, giving them the confidence that the company had eliminated the risk of shortages in labor and would be able to deliver on their contracts on time. The lesson from this project that moving towards Industry 4.0 in manufacturing can be a push and pull process even for companies like ZOLLER. The vision of this company pushed us to complete a visioning project we had begun several years ago when we first started to offer automation solutions. Creating, then implementing this solution helped us as much as it helped our client. The final story I'd like to share is about a medium-sized, family-owned and operated company in Illinois. They are a leading producer of finished machine components made of plastic and non-metallic thermoset materials. They reached out to us about 9 months ago to actually just get a very simple entry-level tool presetter for their facility. They wanted to reduce machine tool crashes, increase spindle uptime, and enable redeployment of existing labor resources. The management team consisted of the founder and his 27-year-old son. When our sales rep sat down with the father and son, he quickly understood that what they had in mind was a much larger scale project. The younger owner wanted to embrace Industry 4.0 at their facilities, to invest in a tool management software solution and automate the entire tool room, all the way from art to part. He reasoned this would make them more efficient and enable them to maximize productivity, to align with their long-term vision and growth strategy. Given their vision, we invited them to our global headquarters and smart factory in Pleidelsheim, Germany, to see a large-scale automation project up close. For us and for our customers, seeing is believing. This visit really opened their eyes to the potential of ZOLLER automation solutions. They could see firsthand the entire process chain of a 24/7, lights-out, simulated production scenario. Once the young owner saw the process in action in real time, he understood the value chain, and he convinced his father to commit to purchasing a similar cell for their own facility. The benefits to this customer were a realignment of his existing machinists to higher value tasks, automating routine drudgery tasks, and ensuring a faster throughput rate and higher quality in his production. This story illustrates something we've noticed, that industry is transitioning to a third generation of younger owners who bring a new level of understanding of the importance of embracing Industry 4.0. Many of these new owners see the future of manufacturing as a digitally connected, automated space. Thank you for listening. If you're interested to learn more about the culture of innovation at ZOLLER or learn more about our Industry 4.0 solutions, we'd love to host you at our Industry 4.0 Tech Center in Ann Arbor anytime.